SQL, Structured Query Language, is a programming language designed for managing and manipulating relational databases. It is used to insert, update, and query data in a database, as well as to create and modify the structure of a database. SQL is a standard language for interacting with relational databases and is widely used in various industries for managing data. Some common operations that can be performed using SQL include creating tables and databases, inserting and updating data, retrieving data, and deleting data. SQL is used to create relationships between tables and to enforce data integrity and consistency. With SQL, you can perform complex queries to extract meaningful information from large datasets, making it an essential tool for data analysis and business intelligence. It is widely supported by various relational database management systems, RDBMS, such as MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL Server, PostgreSQL, SQLite, etc. It is also widely used in various programming languages.